I gotta get out of Jersey. Nah.
Hey, Poopy. Hey, Poopy. I gotta go talk to the people at home. Let me up. Oh, let me up. Let me up. Come on. You wanna play? Where are you? Go ball. Chance. Ready? Hey! Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Garden State Growing. Again, if you've been here before, you know my name is Eric. If not, welcome. I appreciate you stopping by. Well, I just wanted to give you an update. Hopefully this will be a real quick video of where I've been and why I kind of dropped off the face of the planet. And one, I didn't drop off the face of the planet. If you're friends with me on Facebook or you follow me on Instagram like I ask you to during the videos, you would know exactly where I was at. You'd know that my wife did get COVID. It was serious. She got really sick. I had to take care of her. And to be honest with you, I got a little burnt out. You know, learning how to film and record and edit and try to make it look good on top of all the pressure I was already having from my job and the garden. You know, the garden is a thing. When it calls, you have to get to it. You know, if you don't pick the right fruit, it falls on the ground and rots. So you got to be there when the plant needs you to be there. And it got a little tiring for me with everything. So I decided to take a month off and just concentrate on me, my health, my family, my house, getting a lot of things fixed that I was neglecting because I was so busy all the time, and everything else. And I feel a lot better for it. So I'm glad that I took that moment. But now that being said, we are in 2021. It is February 4th. And my first tip of the season is don't start your garden too early. I made that mistake last year. I misjudged my frost date by about 3 weeks, which was pretty significant, especially because I didn't have the room inside the greenhouse inside, and I didn't have the room in the greenhouse outside, and the plants could not go into the ground. And if you remember the disaster that I had, I lost about 50 tomato plants. So I'm not going to make that mistake, and I would recommend to you to not make that mistake as well. I'd rather plant a week or two late and not have to deal with that issue. Now, I also have a lot of other plans for this year. The inside greenhouse, like I said, was too small, so I have plans to expand that to a much bigger inside greenhouse. And my shitty greenhouse. Now, if you've been following my channel from the beginning, which I'm sure most of you haven't, but some of you have, one of my first videos that I put out was my shitty greenhouse. I had bought this horrible $200 greenhouse kit off of, like, I don't want to say like Wayfair, but I think it was Wayfair, and I had to put about $50 worth of duct tape and screws just to get this thing to not to blow apart. Okay, rant over. So I'm going to upgrade that greenhouse out here, and I'm going to put that over there where the shed and the doghouse are. I'm getting rid of the doghouse. I know, boo-hoo. The dog don't go in it. I can't help it. She won't go in it. Do you want the doghouse? You can come get it because I'm getting rid of it. Anyway, if you do, seriously, DM me. You can have it for free. And so many other more plans that I have for the garden this year. More beds, crop rotations, new vegetables that I've never grown before, exotic vegetables. I'm going to be teaching you guys what to do with vegetables that maybe, you know, you've heard of, like artichokes or kohlrabi or collard greens, but you've never had them before because you don't know how to cook them and you don't know how to prepare them. I'm going to bring you along for that too. Now, I want to take, whether people like it or not, I'm going to take this channel in a direction that also includes cooking. I know I've done that before in the past, but I'm going to do that a lot more because cooking is my other passion. I did own a restaurant for a couple years, and unfortunately, I had to leave and get rid of the restaurant, but cooking is still my passion. And what is the point of growing all these vegetables and growing all these fruits if you don't know how to prepare them correctly, if you don't even know what to do with them, oh great, I have this beautiful kohlrabi, now what do I do? Well, hopefully I will bring you along and I'll show you not just one or two, but multiple different ways that you can prepare and eat these different exotic vegetables that maybe you never tried before, and I hope you do. So, I hope that was quick. I hope that was not rambling too much. I just wanted to give everybody an update. Yes, I am back. Yes, we are back. Yes, 2021 is going to be a fantastic gardening year. I am at the planning stage right now. I am mapping out, and I will bring you along and show you how I map out my garden, what I'm going to do, and what the plans are going to be. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm researching seeds. I've placed the orders for my seeds. Yes, I did order 16 of the world's hottest peppers seeds, and I had to get them all the way from Spain. So hopefully the international mailing will get here soon. And I'm going to bring you along for that hot mess. So I love you. I hope you join me. I hope you if you like this content, hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this or 2020, I really encourage you to go back and look at some of the videos back in 2020, and I will promise you they're going to get better. They're going to be more scripted. They're going to have better audio and video for them. And I'm going to have better shot angles for you. All right? I love you. Have a great evening, and I will see you on the next episode.